This is the very first yurt that I visited that officially is registered as a house. It's handmade, built from recycled materials, runs on a gas and electricity. It has a bathroom, a fireplace, a full kitchen, and even has a house number. Today we are visiting Verina and Andreas, two people who decided not just to think outside the box, but to live outside of it too. This is their self-built, fully legal yurt home. From the outside it might look like a big wooden circle, but this place is layered like a cake. Behind the timber cladding there is a fabric insulation, sturdy wooden beams, waterproofing that keep the structure protected from Germany's famous rain. This isn't some off-grid loophole. They got a building permit that meant convincing the local government that a round tent-like structure could meet residential standards. They have all hookups, water, electricity, heating, drainage. Once the officials saw the functionality, they said yes. So now this yurt is a legal residence with its own address and mailbox. At 45 square meters, around 500 square feet, it feels surprisingly spacious. High ceilings, wide layout. The kitchen is full-sized with gas stove, oven, full fridge, and even dishwasher. Nearly everything inside is thrifted or reclaimed. The fireplace in the center heats the entire home using just a few logs a day. Stones around it absorb heat and release it slowly, keeping it cozy even in winter. The floorboards were hand-cut and arranged in a sandbars pattern. The bed frame built from salvage 150 years old wood from a burned-down house. Everything you see inside, they got it second-hand from marketplace or was recycled. Today this is their full-time home, no backup apartment, no hidden house, just the yurt. They have full setup in the bathroom with shower, washing machine, hot water. Flush toilet was a must by the government, but as you can see next to it they installed composting toilet because they like to live environmental friendly. And they even installed full-size bathtub. The entry platform was built using stones they found right here on the land. The garden was once completely wild, overgrown and untouched. Now it's a peaceful patch filled with vegetables, fruit trees and color. It took a year to gather materials and another year to find land where someone would allow a round wooden tent to be legally placed. But they made it happen. If you want to know a bit more about this yurt, I have full tour on my second channel, Alternative House, where I talk to Verina and she explains a bit more about all this build and how they made it legally.